See, my love ain't for sale no more. Take it how you want. Yeah, I used to do almost anything, but now that shit is gone. Yeah.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am coming back to you today with another hair review, this time with some beautiful deep wave hair from a company called Beafay Hair. Of course, as always, I'm going to have all of their information linked in the description box below. But before we get into the video, if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also, if you haven't already, go ahead and tap the bell next to the subscribe button to get notifications for whenever I post videos. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and get the awkwardness out of the way, but if you have trouble understanding me, I'm sorry. I was at a concert in Miami and lost my voice and got sick because it rained, but you will hear about that a little bit later. But right now, this video is about this hair that is on my head. Now, looking at this hair looks amazing. It looks really, really pretty. Like, it looks nice, soft. It is soft though, like nice and soft. Beautiful, beautiful curl pattern. Nice wave. I didn't dye the hair, obviously. I didn't put any dye or anything on it. This is the natural color. This is the part in my closure. I have in an 18-inch closure, a 20-inch and two 20-inch deep wave bundles. And it is installed as a sew-in. So this hair, you see here, I got it installed 2.5 weeks ago before I went to Miami. And something that I loved about this hair was that I could run my fingers through the hair, which I thought was weird because typically for deep wave or really like a curly hair, you can't really run your fingers through it. Well, sometimes you can't run your fingers through it without getting some kind of snag or whatever. With this hair, I was able to do so, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so amazing. I can run my fingers through it. It's so soft. It's so pretty. I feel like a Maria or somebody. Like, I was feeling my hair, okay? Rewind 2 weeks ago, I went to Miami, went to a concert called Rolling Loud. And if you don't know about Rolling Loud, it's like a 3-day festival that's outside. The last day, the Sunday we were down there, it poured. And mind you, I just had on a baseball cap and a plastic trash bag to cover my clothes. And I'm gonna go ahead and insert a little clip. Rain is water, okay? So I didn't bother to wrap my hair up or anything like that. I'm like, I'm outside in the rain and this is deep wave curly hair. Shouldn't it soak up all the moisture? Shouldn't it get wet and just do the little cute wavy thing? And then I'll walk around looking like a little fly mamacita. Like, that was the whole purpose. About a couple of hours in, I noticed that my hair started knotting up back here and tangling. And I was like, okay, maybe it's because it's wet and I'm moving around and it's sitting. But I'm like, that don't make sense, it's hair. But I was like, anyways, you know what? I feel it starting to knot. Let's go ahead and separate the hair and put it into some twists to, you know, retain the hair, right? Fast forward, get back from the concert, back to our hotel, get in the shower to wash this hair, get ready to try and detangle the hair with my wide tooth comb. Boy, that did not happen. I could not untangle this hair for the life of me or get any of these knots out at all. So I was like, you know what? It's cool. It's fine. You know, I'm in a hotel. I don't have the right supplies that I need. I really need a smaller tooth comb. I mean, not a small tooth comb, but like just smaller than what I had. I need kind of some more conditioner because I really didn't bring any. I just had like the hotel conditioner. So I was like, let me wait till I get home and then I'll be able to get all the knots out. They didn't come out. I mean, for the most part, most of them came out. However, this was the only one that I just could not get out. I don't know if you can see it well, but there's a knot that I'm hiding in the back of my hair right now. It is so pretty, but I have no idea why rain, water made it knot up. Maybe it was because it just stayed wet for hours on end. I don't know. I have no idea, but this knot is not coming out, y'all. it's not coming out. I'm really sad because I just knew that this hair was going to be cute and that I probably wasn't going to have too many issues with it, la la la, because I wasn't even going to dye it. I said I'm not putting any bleach on this hair because I want this hair to last. I had a couple of notes, but I think I covered all the bases. At first, I could run my fingers through this hair. At first, I could run my fingers through this hair. If I spray this with water, I can definitely comb through it, but I do get some shedding. It didn't tangle at first at all. Definitely didn't have ginormous knots in the back of my head, but you know, let's not get into that. No. Take from this video what you will. So, granted everything that I just told you, you know, make your own conclusions about the hair. It's very beautiful. It looks very nice. It's still soft. But I just have knots. I have knots in the back of my head. But you know, you want some cute, affordable hair that you may not want to keep in for a very, very long time. Maybe like a week or two, a couple of weeks. Beafay. Alright you guys, so basically that is my story with this hair. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm not going to drag it out any longer. If you're interested in this hair or, you know, want to go check out Beafay's page or anything like that, I'll have all of their information linked in the description box below. And yeah, adios you guys. Till next time.